and shopping, and we go down to purchase. Again, this is where the reserved variable names are listed. And if we scroll down here slowly, we start seeing some of the reserved order file customer information fields. And we get down to the ship to customer information field. So I've already entered this one, the ship to name, but I can just keep this page open and start adding in the rest of these as well. So let's do name and then phone number. Nope, ship to phone is somewhere in here as well. So there it is, ship to phone. I'm just highlighting and copying that text exactly. Well, first I'll copy this. Once we have our basic design here, we can simply highlight these, and I'm just going to make a few copies for placeholders. If I save it and go back to the page, I see that we have some more fields that we can fill out. So, alright, so check out, the first one's the name, this one would be phone, and then we can do the address. Address 1, city, and then state, zip. Okay, so start with that. So the phone, that's easy enough. It's ship to phone. I'm just going to change these two things. Oh, again, the reason why we're setting these variables to O underscore. That's just another convention that I'm going to use for this website. We know that this variable being passed is an order file variable. So we're using O underscore order file underscore to set this value to. We also include the actual parsed value in the form itself in case we're coming to this page with a person who's already filled out this information. WebDNA internally nulls this value out, or it parses to nothing if there is nothing in the order file yet. So we can just put those in the value as is, like this. I'll show you how that works a little later. Oops, forgot to shut off my cell phone. So okay, takes care of that. All right, so where are we at here? So we're filling out the name and ship to name, phone, the address 1. So this is ship to, address 1, ship to, address 1, ship to city. I'll double check these as well in the docs after I type them, just to make sure that I'm getting this right here. And ship to state, copy this one, make this input field a little smaller so that it fits nicely there. And before we take a look at it, we'll notice that we have an address field here. We could make this a text area. Sometimes there's multiple lines on this text, or we could add an address to directly under here. I'm just going to have them put everything in this one field, so I'm going to create a text area instead of this input field here. So and then well, it's not coming from a database, so that should be fine. And now let's see what the default size work looks like here. So we'll delete this. Save that. Okay. Looks good so far. So let's take a peek at what we've done so far. To refresh. Alright, so we have name, phone. One thing we should specify that this is shipping information, so that people don't get confused there. So go back up to the top. Alright, check out step 1. Shipping info. Name, phone, address, and city, state, and zip. So there's a couple couple schools of thought here, and just to address them, we can actually keep going with the form and make it so people scroll down to edit the rest of the information, the billing information. Sometimes that's not too bad. I think for this website we're gonna start with the shipping information and then put a next billing information here. So we'll say next billing information. So we need to know within this checkout page that we're going to go to the billing information page. So we need to start passing some parameters to keep track of that. Right now we're just in the order file, the default order file. And so we need to make use of those switch contexts again to create pages. So I'm going to use a variable name called co_page, and that will be for checkout page. Actually, I'm going to do this inside the order file context so that I don't have to repeat that tag. So we'll do a switch